In this video, I'll show you how to resize whiteboard elements in ClickUp. To get started, open the whiteboard that contains the element you want to resize. Resizing elements in a whiteboard allows you to organize your workspace, emphasize important ideas, and create layouts that are easier to read and present. Click once on the element to select it. You'll see a selection box appear around the object with resize handles on the corners and edges. Click and drag one of the corner handles to resize the element while maintaining its proportions. If available for the selected element, you can also drag the side handles to adjust only the width or height. Release your mouse when the element reaches the size you want. Repeat the same process for other objects such as shapes, images, sticky notes, or embedded content. After resizing, you can click and drag the element to reposition it anywhere on the whiteboard. If you're working with several items, resize and arrange them to create a clean layout that's easy to understand and navigate. Taking a few moments to properly size your whiteboard elements can make diagrams, brainstorming sessions, and project planning boards much easier for your team to read. And that's how to resize whiteboard elements in ClickUp. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.